morning, guys. Welcome to episode 13 of how we build a 5-story building here in Aventura, Florida. Here we are today is pouring diving day. As we show in previous video, we form the columns, we put rebar inside the columns, and then we proceed to pour the columns. Now after that, what we did was to form all the tie-ins and put rebar inside, as you can see in this video. And once they're ready, we keep putting the foam around, and today we are putting concrete inside the tie-in. Once we have this done, we're gonna start erecting the columns and the beams that goes to make the floor for the second floor inside the building. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell, so you can have update on more videos and have like all the update of how we build 5-story building here in Aventura. Thanks for watching.